To start, hold your Option key and power button at the same time and hold them down until the screen comes up. Once it comes up, select Recovery on the right. Once you select Recovery, it will bring us to OS X Utilities. Then we'll want to select Disk Utility and hit Continue. In Disk Utility, select Macintosh HD on the left-hand side, select Erase up top, Erase at the bottom, and once more. Now exit out of Disk Utility, and we'll need to connect to our Wi-Fi so we can reinstall OS X. Now select Reinstall OS X, hit Continue, hit Continue once more, again up top, and then Agree. And now select Macintosh HD and install. The last thing we'll need to do before installing Yosemite is log into our Apple accounts. After that, Yosemite will start installing. The installation process will take about 30 minutes to an hour depending on your internet connection. Once it's done installing, select your country, your keyboard, your Wi-Fi network, transfer any data if you like, sign in with your Apple ID, or choose not to. Then agree to the terms and conditions. Create a computer account or login account. Hit continue. Choose whether or not you want to send diagnostics and usage data to Apple. And now it's setting up our Mac and we're all done. Now we have a fresh installation of OS X Yosemite.